What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz and Cinnamon back here with another video. I've got a couple things to do today, so I decided to go ahead and start recording. Washing my car right now. It's a great day, great beautiful day out here. I have to fix my rear shock that broke while I was driving. The top nut is non-existent now, and then I have to fix the front bumper because I'm going to the beach tomorrow. So let's do it.
This is a Chucky Beat production.
Alright, so the outside is finally done here, looking good. It hasn't looked this good probably a month. It's just been pollen season, and you guys don't even want to see the interior of my car right now. You guys see this? Look at this. Oh, I've just left it. I've just left it for a day like today when it's finally sunny and there's not that much pollen. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take care of the inside. I'll move to the back shock and the front bumper. So I ended up just wiping down the inside real fast. There's my cine plate that I've not put on yet. See if you guys can see this. There's supposed to be the dampening in the nut on top of that, and it just broke off while I was driving. So what the hell, function forms. Coilovers don't go low to begin with. Second of all, trash quality. I paid 800 bucks. They should not break twice. This is the second time. The first, we were just tightening it down hand tight, and it broke off. And now just driving and it broke off. This is the right side. The other time it was the left side. Nobody buy these. Nobody buy function form type 2s. Nobody buy function forms. Okay, Hondas, yes, okay, go for it. Out of that, I don't know. That's not really their target market. So I don't know what we're gonna do for this. I've looked in here and I cannot find the little bolt. I don't even know if you can screw anything on top of that anymore. Yeah, it's missing. Hold on. Here, you guys ready for this? Hear that? That's trash quality products right there. So I'm gonna go see if this actually twists onto the top or anything. So I was looking in this parts box here. These are all the parts for my coilovers that didn't work or I had to take out because they weren't low. But I found some pieces here that hopefully we can make a new top bushing, and hopefully one of these two nuts work. So we're gonna see what we can do. So if you do have a low car, you understand the struggle. Right now. All right, finally found my tripod, so this should be a little bit better for you guys. Yeah, let me pull this up onto the blocks. Show you the bumper issue here too. So I just gotta move this screw over here somewhere, I hope. And that should fix it. Then I can actually screw it through the bumper because that little plastic piece broke off. So now I'm gonna put this on jack stands. Then I gotta jack up the bottom of the wheel to push the shock up farther into the back of the car so I can actually try to screw something down onto it. you guys haven't tried these, found this on my own, but my buddy Chase, if you're watching this, you know how good these are. Try one of these. It's a Calypso's Ocean Blue Lemonade. Extremely good. Do you guys think that's on it or not? Let's find out. I just put it on the, what is that called though? Oh, that's not it. All right, I'm actually gonna look at this, hold on. And now I'm sure this is, yeah, that got farther down somehow. So, I don't know what to do. All right, we got it on jack stands. Now I can jack up the back wheel to push the strut. All right, it should be good. Hello? Oh, okay. So the strut is completely out of the wheel. That's good. So we gotta line it up. Oh yeah, I see. Hold on, you guys can't see anything. So that's where it was just digging into right there, but I have to push it farther back. This is a disaster. This is good. This is really nice. The top of this shock here, even though it comes through, none of the nuts, there's no threads on the top of the shock. So this is just gonna have to stay loose, and we're just gonna have to figure out what to do up here. Oh, Jenna, say hi. Say hi. Oh my God, we got all the puppies out here today. I think I can just move this screw to one of these over here, or just use one of these. So we'll see what we can do. So I have discovered a new tool. I don't know what this is. It's like a Torx bits without the Torx. It's what we're using to take this little screw off. Oh, this is so annoying to work on like this. Alright, got it. Now, we just gotta see which one of these we can use. Clearly, that's where it went, and I think we can use that one. Possibly. Come out, let me see if this screws in. Alright, so what we're gonna do here, whether it's smart or not, is this is the bolt that was in the bumper, and this size looks close to this, well, screw, I guess. Well, I'm gonna drill a new hole in the bumper and the body of my car. So up under here, there's a little piece of plastic, like a little tab that just hasn't been used for anything, and it's basically the same as what the screw was already in. Alright, first part of that is good. This is really hard to do. The drill's not staying in place, and I'm not too familiar with power tools, but you know, the more you know. So let's see if we can figure this out. And it just takes a little patience and a little force. I think we got it. All right, well, let's see if this works. And this will fix the second problem. Well, the screw isn't working, so I'm just gonna see if I can find some zip ties. A little problem here before going to advanced. I don't know how to lower my car right now without the shock coming back out of where it's supposed to be. If I lower this, let that be there. I don't know, actually. No, I take that back. I have no idea what to do. I'm just gonna lower this down and then lower the car down and hope the shock's in place. So now, because of these shit coilovers, my spring is only halfway in the cup. In the shock right now, it's not even through the hole of the car. So let's go to advance. I don't know where that was, but I'm not too worried about it. Advanced Auto is where I work now. Let's go see top was. Whatever, we should be fine. Coworkers. Let's go see some coworkers. Look what I got. I got zip ties. I went to Advance and picked up some zip ties. Zip ties. And the same thing that happened, the screw happened with the zip tie. This little piece broke. So for now, the shock got worse after me trying to fix it. The bumper is still broken. And the last thing that I'm gonna try to fix today is my rattling exhaust. This always seems to happen with cars. It doesn't matter what you're doing, but anytime you're doing something with a car, it just, I don't know why, it seems like it gets worse. So I'm gonna try to fix the exhaust, and then I'm gonna call Function Form and have them send out the third shock. Let's try to fix this at least. Here she is. Oh, what is this? What is it? Oh, these are my trash coilovers. Look at this. Look at that. Of course, I got the car in the air, kicking around, messing with the exhaust. Started the car in the air and the exhaust didn't want to rattle. So that I'm just gonna take back to Henry's and have them fix it. Can't even tell where it's rattling from. Don't even know. So it's under warranty, it has like a 2-year warranty or something. It's been 6 months, maybe. I don't know. I thought today was gonna be a lot more productive. All right, so, you know, I was gonna give up. Then I realized I still couldn't drive my car and nothing would have happened today. So what I did is I drilled a hole right there in a thicker part of the bumper, and now we're just gonna hope it screws up and stays. So watch this. Problem here is this bumper doesn't exactly stretch to fit, but I think we may have got it, and I hope to goodness. Oh, please don't. Oh, please don't break. Like really now would not be the time to break. Hey, look at that. We fixed the bumper. See, this is why I don't give up. I literally was like, you know what? I'm done for the day. I'm done. I'm gonna stop recording. Look what we have. What we have. Solid. Yeah, for the rest of the issues, I don't really care. Car looks good still. So we fixed the bumper. My wheels are for sale. If you guys are interested, Odd Honda DSO2s, I got them for about $1,300 for the wheels and tires. They're for sale right now for $950. Yeah, I mean, if you want them, come get them. I think I'm gonna go three-piece boys. I've been influenced by Chase and Kenny. So you guys, if you're watching this, thank you. I'm taking my car to the next level with the wheels, so I'm going three-piece boys. Camber arms in the rear with, I'm gonna go 19s instead of these are 18s. Bigger with more camber, and then fender to lip in the front, fender to lip in the back. I'm excited. I'm really excited. So I'm gonna run this until somebody buys my wheels, and then we're going all in. So now, this has been Fitz and Cinnamon back here with another video. If you guys want to see more, subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see. I do need video ideas. I have a list going, but you know, I want to hear what you guys want to watch. So anyways, we'll see you guys in the next video.